At Get Poetry, we think comparing poems is far less complicated than it is sometimes made to feel. The key lies in understanding what the examiners are actually rewarding and then structuring your response with clarity and confidence. Let's break it down. The 30 marks are split evenly. Half reward how well you analyse language, form and structure, and half reward how clearly and consistently you compare the two poems. This means comparison is not an extra skill, it must run all the way through your answer. When you begin, focus on the key words of the question. These words tell you exactly what the examiners want you to explore. A strong introduction makes it clear that both poems will be discussed together and gives a brief overview of how each poem approaches the theme. Avoid generic openings. Instead, signal a clear comparison, such as one poet presents power as controlled, whereas the other presents it as destructive. In the main body of your answer, aim for at least 3 clear comparative paragraphs, each paragraph focusing on one shared idea. Comparison should be woven in throughout. Start with a comparative point that refers to both poems and the question topic, then embed short, precise evidence from the first poem. Focus on how meaning is created. Zoom in on individual words, imagery or sound patterns. Consider the effect of language choices and how they shape the reader's response. Where relevant, comment on structure or form and explain why those choices matter. You should then move smoothly onto the second poem within the same paragraph, using comparative phrases such as similarly, by contrast, or whereas. Analyse in the same depth, making the similarities or differences explicit. Form and structure should be addressed deliberately. Check out our form and structure video linked in the description. In your conclusion, briefly state how both poets explore the key theme. Do not introduce new quotations or arguments. Above all, remember this. Each paragraph should explore one idea, analyse both poems, zoom in on language, form and structure, and make the comparison clear. Good luck.